Northern Michigan does not have a very high population, and it's a great place to retreat. There is also an airport a mile down the road where Al Capone would actively use to smuggle items. Now, in all honesty, I'm not the biggest history buff ever. This was just some of the information that I was told and was informed on. But if history is something that you are interested in, look into this more. You know, now this location is approximately 5 hours away from where I live, so I'm not saying this was close to me by any means, but the interesting thing is, no matter where you look, there's always going to be some history. So it might just be in your backyard, it might be a 5-hour drive, but go check it out.